Hello everyone. Today we are going to dissect the JSF 2.2, which is part of the Java EE 7 used for GUI, that is user interface. So first we are going to prepare a web application named DissectingJSF. Okay, we'll include Java server faces, and by that time it is creating our project. Let's have a look what we are going to cover today. First we will insert the style sheets and have output look. After that we will put some images and see what are the changes in our page. And finally in our page we are going to put some form data and take the user inputs, which will be displayed in the next page with the help of command button, which is used for navigation from one page to another, and in some cases it is being used to process some event. The JSF use EL language for communication, and we are going to use manage bean, which will be holding the user input data and transferring it to next page. And finally I'm going to show you the iteration feature of JSF 2.2 in today's session. So first have a look how our JSF page looks like. So it's a pretty simple page which says hello from facelets. Now we are going to insert our cascading style sheets. For that we have to prepare a folder named let's just name it resource CSS for holding style sheets, and I will say default is the name of my style sheet, and I'm just going to change the color of our page. That's it. Background color, let's just say, is antique white. Okay, then we have to attach this file to our page, DissectingJSF, the title is, and I will attach this with the help of a tag name output style sheet library, where the file is saved. And what's the name of file? That is default. That's it. And our style sheets are attached. So let's have a look. As you can see, the color is being changed. Now we will insert images. So for that I will prepare another folder named images. Okay, in images I will put one picture and I will attach it back. Say graphic image, library which is holding it is the images, and what's the name of it? The name is untitled.gif. Okay, I will clean and build my project and see what's the output of it. Okay, so by that time, okay, so here it is, we have inserted one image. Now we will prepare one form. Suppose let's save some singer data, singer form. Okay, now I will say hMessage. This hMessage tag is used for display error message or validation message in our JSF page. If any error is generated, it's going to be output with the help of hMessage tag. Basically it is linked with web.xml project stages. which is helping the messages to be output on the JSF page if any error occurs. So first we will use output label. It's just a label for what values we are going to take input from the user. First name and value should be first name. Okay, that's it. And I will then input text, let's just say ID, first name, and value it should be holding. With the help of expression language, Singer Bean dot first name. Okay, we'll put some validation over here. Validation length minimum. Okay, minimum 2. And what's the maximum? Maximum is 30. Okay, and we'll make it mandatory to put the value, otherwise it will not get processed. Okay, let's just say label also. Label is first name. Yes, so we have one data over here. Let's just copy it and prepare 2 more fields. Last name, say it last name, say it last name, say it last name, and here also last name. Okay, we have put the first name, last name, and one more, I think, to hold the address of it. Let's just say we will hold the email address. Okay, email. Okay, email, email, email. Okay, I will align all of it using H panel, which is a table tag used for aligning columns and holding the column value. Okay, left align, comma, right align, and that's it. Okay, we have to put the closing of H panel grid. I will put one command button which will hold the value for the navigation. Action, when I just press the button, the action will take it to the next page. So we will prepare one more page over here, JSF page, name it display. Okay, just finish it, display. And we have to prepare one manage bean, which will be holding the value and transferring it to what we have named it, Singer Bean. Okay, Singer Bean package bean, and it should be a request scoped. Okay, because we are let's just include all of the properties. I have saved it here. I'm just copying it, all the properties. Alt insert, no getter and setter for all, generate. So here it is completed. So let's just say our display page as display the output. Okay, here I will show you how to use the iteration loop. Say for each variable award in items hash expression language single bean dot awards. Okay, so here I will say display the value for me what you have stored in award, VR award. Okay, here it is completed. I will just take out other values also. Output text is to display the value stored. So say value equal to hash single bean dot first name, and I will say close. Okay, here I will mention it also, first name So finally we have prepared our page to display also. We have values being saved through single bean and transferred to display page with the help of this manage bean. So let's just build it and see what's the output of it. Okay. So this is our first page. We will put some form data in it. Bob, say Marley, and email address bob.marley, and I will just say display, and here it is. So see, first is the C for each style loop, C for style loop, first name, last name, and email address. That's it for today's session. Please subscribe to our channel to get new tutorials and exercises, and the code will be available in the GitHub. Okay, thank you.